Hello everyone, today we're going to be talking about the heart and cardiac cycle. The cardiac cycle is an electrical process of the heart that allows blood to pump throughout the body. In these pictures we can actually see, gives us all the information about how our hearts work, how is it composed, the cardiac cycle represents the mechanical events of the complete heartbeat. At rest, one cycle lasts 0.8 seconds and is repeated by 72 times per minute. The cycle consists of 3 phases. In this particular picture, we can see the phases that our cardiac cycle goes through. Pretty amazing, huh? On phase 1, the atrial cycle, we can see how the atria contracts, how the blood pushes against the AV valve, causing it to open, how the vena cava and pulmonary vein valves are closed, and how our blood flows in the ventricle. On phase 2, the contractions of the myocardia of the left and the right ventricles. The first heart one caused by closure of bicuspid and tricuspid valves. The second heart tone caused by closure of the similar valves. And it's the pumping. On phase 3, arterial and ventricular diastole. Diastole is a period when the heart relaxes after contraction, and we could see, kind of gives us a specify of how it starts and how it goes. Each particular picture kind of shows us how it diastole is. On this one, the diastole, oxygenated blood from the lungs fills the left atrium. Deoxygenated blood from other parts of the body fills in the right atrium. At the end of the diastole, the atria contracts, starting the cycle. Then here we can learn how diet can affect your heart rate. Depending on our diet, your heart rate and number of times your heart beats a minute can be affected by your diet. Certain foods, like drinks, can make your heartbeat race. One of the examples we can see here is how food containing caffeine that affects our heart rate. Food and beverages containing caffeine increase your heart rate. Coffee containing caffeine, which can cause rapid heartbeat. Some of the examples could be that should be avoided would be energy drinks, green tea, black tea, and sodas, of course, should be avoided. Pepperine in chocolate. Chocolate naturally contains this stimulant that can increase your heart rate. They look delicious, but they are bad. Another bad consumption that we have is the excessive sugar. Eating foods with lots of sugar can cause our blood sugar to spike or rapidly increase, which may lead to an increase in our heart rate. And then we could see here the positive impact of hot peppers. Cayenne peppers, these hot peppers contain components which can help improve circulation and reduce abnormal heart rate. Abnormal heart rate can lead to decrease of blood flow to brain and other organs. Hope you like this presentation. Thank you.